Hey guys, how's everyone doing? I hope you're doing fine. I know it's been a really long time since I last posted a video, but I'm back again. I'm sitting in front of my camera. It's 4 a.m. probably, and I thought let's just film a tutorial for you all. I'm not much active on YouTube is because handling my personal life and my professional life and my social life together, so I've been really caught up in that. As I told you in my last video that I am opening a salon, guys. It's been 3 months and I'm really looking forward to share a salon tour with you all and what goes behind and stuff like that, so that you can get a look into my personal life as well. And also I'm gonna do Q&A video. That will be my next video probably, because I think you should know a little bit more about me, so I'm gonna keep that. So stay tuned on my Instagram if you don't follow me yet. My Instagram username is right in here, so do give me a follow there, because I'll be posting a question and answer situation, my story there, and then I'll be taking up to my YouTube. And as you guys might have read by the title, this tutorial is on a guest attending a wedding makeup tutorial, so let's just get into it. Let me just push back my hair real quick. So before starting, let me just change into my actual outfit, just get into my dress real quick. Your girl is back. So I'm gonna show you my full outfit by the end of the video, so stay tuned till that. But first we're gonna start with our eyes, so let's get closer. I'll be using Too Faced Shadow Insurance Primer to pack my eyelids first. It's a really amazing primer, you guys. Also, it has a tint, so it really conceals and corrects your tired under eyes as well. As I said, it's 4 a.m. and I really need to cancel my tiredness, so that's all I'm doing. For the eyeshadow, we're using Huda Beauty's Desert Dusk palette. Oh my god, it's my whole grade palette since the day it's in my venti, because I keep on using it on my clients. And I like this thing about this palette is you can even go all glam with this palette and also go all subtle with this palette, so you get best of both worlds. And hence I'll be using the same palette today. I'm going to start with the shade Desert Sand, which is a skin-like shade, to just pack that shadow primer in so that you can get a real color of your shadow and it doesn't get all patchy. So we're gonna just make it all matte. Next, for the transition shade, I'm gonna use this shade called Musk, just to create that nice transition. Deposit it and then blend it in and out in circular motion. The more you blend, the more subtle your eyeshadow looks, you guys. I just like to start with a lighter hand, like a little product, deposit, blend, a little more product, deposit and blend. That way you can never go wrong. Next, I'm going to choose this shade called Eden, which is peachy warm coral kind of shade, and I'm gonna deposit it over my transition shade so that my crease becomes a little more warmer. I like to start it with a cool tone and then pack it with a warm tone transition shade. Our next shade is Oud, which is warm brown, the darkest of all, so we went light to dark as a gradation. I'm gonna take this pigment from a MAC, which is called blue brown. So how I'll use my MAC pigment is I'll be taking this flat patting brush. Next, I'll be taking my MAC Fix Plus in Pinklite. You can use any setting spray, and 3 pumps. Guys, you'll be getting a lot of fallout, so do not worry about that, because there was a reason we didn't start with our base first. Lashes can make any look 10 times better. So I am going to use M75 5-pack using their lash fixer.
Let's stick them babies.
Before applying the lashes, I'm going to use my L'Oreal Lash Paradise to just get the right bed for my lashes. See how lashes can make your look 10 times better. These lashes, oh my god, M75 from PAC and M72, they are just amazing. They look dramatic, but they feel extremely light on your eyes. Taking my MAC Fix Plus and applying it all over my face. I am going to take my MAC Prep and Prime Primer. This is the sample piece that I received from Nykaa, and I think I'm gonna buy the full size of it because I have tried it on and the base looked flawless. So I am definitely going to buy a full size of the same. For the foundation, I am going to use my Huda Beauty 4 Filter Foundation in the shade Amaretti. I don't know how that is pronounced, so I'm gonna call it Amaretti. The best way to apply this foundation is with the sponge because it is already full coverage, and the extra product which is deposited on my face will be soaked out because beauty blender or maybe a makeup sponge has this quality of sucking in the extra product. This might look a little bit lighter on camera, but it oxidizes after a few minutes, so that is the only reason you should go a shade lighter in Huda 4 Filter Foundation. You can see the difference with the coverage. Full coverage, natural. For concealer, I am using Huda Beauty's the Overachiever Concealer in the shade Coconut Flakes. Now, let me tell you, this particular concealer is full coverage, so I'm just gonna dot it like 1, 2, and I'm done. I like my concealer to be lighter to my foundation, like 1 or 2 shades lighter, so that it gives me that lifted look. And we're done. I'm just gonna conceal my eyes and a little bit right in here. The applicator goes on your face and it's just super cold. तो इसके बाद हम यूज़ करेंगे loose powder. Why are we gonna use loose powders? Because we've applied cream product, the liquid foundation, and loads of primer as well. So to lock that, हम loose powder use करेंगे. I am using my Fit Me loose finishing powder in the shade light medium. Firstly, I'll be setting my under eyes with this powder. एंड देन मैं पूरे अपने फेस पर ये पाउडर पैक करूँगी सो दैट एवरीथिंग इज़ फ्लैट आउट मैट एंड crease free. Next up, I'll be just finishing my under eyes with the shade Musk and Amethyst. I am connecting my outer edge to get that winged liner effect. Now we are gonna move up to the face structuring part, which is one of my favorite. For bronzing, I'll be using my HOOLA bronzer from Benefit. The more upward your sideburn is, the more lifted your cheekbone will look, but make sure that you're gonna just maintain the line because we're also gonna pack it with a blush and a highlighter, so we're gonna keep a place for that as well. Always blend your contour in the upward direction so that it looks like you've got cheek fillers. Okay, so for the blush, we're gonna use a Maybelline Fit Me in the color pink. How basic, pink. Get some good names, Maybelline. Come on. You could just write flushed fuchsia. I mean, that sounds a little bit extra, right? Anyway, I like this blush. We're not gonna believe this little brush. Taking loads of it. Just give me a nice smile, Lata. Smile. And just blend it out. And you're done, my baby girl. I'm taking my good old MAC Soft and Gentle. It's my favorite highlighter, you guys. Dig into it. I'm sure you cannot see any texture because I have a textured skin and this isn't emphasizing my texture at all. Hence, I love this highlighter on every skin type. I love using highlighter on my non-existent collarbones, glowy, dewy, and everything fresh. So yeah, we're done. I'm gonna take my MAC lip liner in the shade Soar. No matter what shade of lipstick you'll be choosing, but always line your lips with a nude or a brown lip liner, because brown or the nude lip liner will make an illusion that your lips are a lot more bigger than your natural size and will make it look beautiful. For the lips, I am taking MAC CREMSHEEN in the shade Cream in Your Coffee. The last thing that we'll be doing is fixing our makeup with a Fix Plus. And what's an Indian outfit or a wedding without the ethnic jewelry? So I've got this gorgeous jhumkas from my beloved friend Hitesh, the owner of Emperor. I'll be linking his Instagram business account down in my description box. See how gorgeous it looks. And I think whenever I'm trying an Indian outfit or doing an Indian look, I am incomplete without a bindi. So that is what I'll be doing now. Perfect. I'm gonna show you my outfit right in a bit. Let me just throw on my dupatta. So this is the final look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video and if it was helpful, please do like this video, share this video, and also subscribe to my channel. And do let me know how do you like this look and what should I create next. Till then, see you. Bye. I love you so much. Take care.
ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਦੇ ਤਾਂ ਲੈ ਜਿਆ ਕਰ ਤੂੰ ਸ਼ਾਪਿੰਗ ਮਾਲ ਵੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਦੀਆਂ ਸਭ ਪਾਰਲਰ ਸਜਦੀਆਂ ਰਹਿੰਦੀਆਂ ਹਾਈ ਹਾਈਲਾਈਟ ਕਰਾ